Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to hide posts on the Facebook profile. We will start by opening the Facebook app. Next, we will click on the top options menu. Then we will click on Settings and Privacy and then on Settings. Here we move and look for the activity log option. Here we will click on Public Posts to filter. After that, we will see the list of actions corresponding to public posts. To prevent them from appearing, we will click on its 3 points and choose Hide from Profile so that this information does not appear on our Facebook profile. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.